Responding to events. When you get an invitation to an event, it appears on your calendar. You get invitations by email as well if you've subscribed to email notifications. If you are using Gmail, you can respond to the invitation by clicking RSVP in the email invite. When replying to an invitation, in the calendar grid, single-click an event to preview it. At the bottom of the event preview window, select a response. Response options are available only in the preview window. They don't appear in the event details window. To add a note or propose a new meeting time, in the bottom right corner, click the down arrow and choose an option. All guests can propose a new time except for events with more than 200 guests or all-day events.